You will love the features of this 2019 Chevrolet Suburban. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Suburban delivers the utility of a truck, as well as the refined comfort, technology, and safety features of a full-size luxury SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, power liftgate, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, third row seat memory. You'll feel like you're on top of the world in the Suburban. Drive it today.